What's up everyone, my name is Saahil and welcome back to my channel. So IKEA finally opened its first Indian store in Hyderabad in August of 2018 and I was so excited about it. So all of you who don't know what exactly IKEA is, it's a Swedish home decor brand. They make really good quality furniture and home decor stuff and they're actually pretty affordable. So I got a bunch of things and I'm going to share them with you. In fact, the last one is super exciting. So hold on to the end of the video because you don't want to miss the super cool thing I got from IKEA. All of these things were actually 99 and below. So that's actually everything under 100 bucks. And I thought I really must share it with you guys. So let's dive in. So the first thing I got is this cute yellow egg slicer. I love this. I love to eat boiled eggs and I always want to put them on sandwiches and spread some cheese or put them on the side while I'm eating my breakfast. And this has made it so convenient. The steel frame is actually pretty sturdy, but it's not sharp, so it's pretty safe. Also, this is detachable, so you want to clean up things, just detach it. Once you're done, just put it up and back. So yeah, I just love this egg slicer. I think everybody should have it. Everybody who eats eggs should have it, and it just makes life so much easier. Next we have a chair pad. Now this is just 99 bucks. What I love about it is that it's made of cotton from the outside, so it's actually super comfortable and the filling is 100% polyurethane. Now it looks really thin, but it's super comfortable. I have like a cane plastic kind of situation on the base of my chair, so I like to put it for a little more comfort. And it gives immense comfort, my bum doesn't hurt while sitting on it. Secondly, these ties are super sturdy, so once you've tied them to the chair, this thing won't move. Hell no. We'll think that this thing might be not sturdy. Nah, this is super sturdy. On number 3, we have this doormat. It's just 79 bucks. And guess what? It's made with recycled, 6 to be precise, 6 recycled PET bottles. So if I'm to believe the website, we're going towards the more sustainable of me using a doormat. What I like about it is the top of it is actually, the fabric is actually pretty soft. It has this cloth-like feeling, like a wool cloth-like feeling, and the back is of rubber. It does not slide that easy. It's very thin. It's super light. It's like paper. It does move, but it does not move too much. It does not slide too much. Secondly, since it's so thin, it just you just put it on the floor and it does not interfere with the door. So the thinness actually works for it. And yeah, I like the color, I like the design. It's just simple and elegant. On number 4, we have a washcloth, like a towel for just 59 bucks. It's 100% cotton. As you can see, I've been using it quite a bit now. I've had it for about 2 months, I think. Yeah, 2-3 months. Can be used from both the sides. This side is like a nice terry finish with like a proper towel finish, and here is like a waffle shaped situation. It's made with 100% cotton. The thing with this is it's actually super absorbent. You can wipe your hands and your hands will be completely dry, but for some reason it gets wet really fast. So that's something I'm not very appreciative about. But I didn't want to invest a lot because I just put it in my kitchen and we are constantly actually also wiping our hands. Maybe that's why it's perpetually wet and does not get time to dry. But I just wanted to put something decent looking but not too expensive as a towel in my kitchen. So this actually really works. Next up, we have a tea infuser. It's just for 99 bucks. I love chai, be it the dhabe wala chai or the ghar ka chai or the herbal tea, the white tea, green tea, black tea, everything. Now what happens is we have to put those leaves and infuse it for a while in the hot water that we have. So I just put the leaves here, soak it in the cup and leave it for 2-3 minutes and just take the thing out, put it aside and you're done. You can just conveniently have your tea. Just put this aside. It's very nice. It's like a steel thing. It opens like that, which is super cool. I like this a lot. And I just find it so much better instead of just soaking it there and just putting it and then draining it in the chutney. It's just too much work. So this is perfect for me. I can't manage to do this. Perfect for me. Next up, we have these 3 accessory bags from IKEA. I feel like Miss Hawaii. These are really cool. I like how they are this black, grey and white, very elegant looking, very slick. What I also like about this is all 3 of them have 2 compartments each. So one is this visible netty compartment And then there's this hidden one, so you can put your hidden things, whatever they may be, in there. Now, I actually thought the quality would be much better, but the polypropylene is actually making it a little like, cheap feeling, in the sense like it feels a little cheap, although it looks really nice. So I might not actually take it along when I travel as an accessory and a toiletry bag, but I will, I don't know, maybe I will, but I will definitely use them at home, for keeping all the wires and all that. And honestly, for 80 bucks, for 79 bucks to be precise, 3 of them, I think it's a great deal, man. Just put your random things. I mean, what more in 70 bucks would we ask for? Now, the next thing might make you wonder, why have I put this in this list? And it's a little absurd, but hold on, and I have a super good reason why I've done that. It's a toilet brush. Now, disclaimer, this is brand new. I just took it out of the plastic it came in for the video. What I like about it is it's just white and black, and it has this really cute little cleaner, right, with a holder. Now, online and in a lot of departmental stores, you'll find the very tacky looking ones like orange and yellow and blue, and they're like 150, 200 bucks, and they clearly don't come with a holder. They're too big, they're too small. So I really like this. This is really nice, and actually it's super light, but it's super sturdy as well. So I like this. Like, this is cute. It's black and white, so it can go with any decor of your bathroom, of any tiles that you may have. And it's simple. I love black and white. There's nothing which beats black and white combination for me. Now, finally, I have the surprise product I was talking about. Now, mind you, this is not 99 bucks, but it is super fun. It's the OLGAN LED light. Now, I saw a video of Sherry shops where she did to buy or not to buy review, and I was like, good God, I really need to get this. I really need to get this. Now, this is battery operated, so IKEA actually does not give you the battery. You just put three AAA batteries in it, which you can buy from the market. And then there's a holder which you can screw wherever you want to put it, or there is a sticker which will just attach and you can just put it together. Now, what is super fun about it is that it's motion censored, so you can put it in your cabinet, you can put it in your bathroom when you want to go at night, or you can use it as a night lamp or a kitchen cabinet. So you open your door, this comes up, and it just lightens the darker places at your home, right? Also, what I love about the motion sensor and the battery operated sensor bit is that you don't need any wiring, right? So you can just put it up and use it. And I've just been using it for a day. I'm pretty happy with it. Let's see what happens. But I guess for $3.99, this is not so bad. It's one of those things you just want to have for the fun of it, right? So guys, that was my mini IKEA haul. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up. Comment below with what you thought of the video, or for any products you think I should buy from IKEA the next time I do. Check out my last video here, subscribe here, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!